On behalf of NDRF, this is an update on the current situation in the Vizag gas leak. I'd like to very categorically mention that since last night, the experts from Pune, the experts from Nagpur who are scientists, the experts from Pune are NDRF commandant and his team of CBRN experts, and the commandant, local commandant who has jurisdiction in Visakhapatnam from Vijayawada and his deputy commandant have all been camping since yesterday night on site, and they are regularly monitoring the situation. There are some rumors, whether deliberate or not deliberate, about a second gas leakage. Let me categorically place on record that there is no such second leakage. What is happening is there is a process of neutralization going on. It's a technical process. In the process, there may be some minuscule fumes which come out once in a while as part of the neutralization process, and that process will continue. I'm also going to update that the chemical which has come from Daman, which has been brought by the team of experts, that chemical, the neutralizer chemical, is also in good quantities now because the fresh supply has come, and that will be used for the neutralization, and this is a technical process that will continue. It does not mean that there is a second leakage. So it is a very irresponsible thing to say that there is a second leakage, and this should be avoided in the interest of the nation, in the interest of the local people, and the recovery that has already happened, and the situation that has almost become normal. Yes, this process of neutralization will go on, and the scientists will be doing this till we are fully satisfied that there is no question of further even fumes coming out. Further, I'm assuring everyone that the NDRF team will be camping on site. I'm repeating, on site, at the place, at the ground zero, till everything is normalized, and it will assist the local administration. The team of scientists, the team of NDRF, the CBRN team is at the disposal of the local government, the state government and the local administration. In the morning, I have talked to the DGP and the Commissioner of Police, Visakhapatnam. We are all on the same page and we are working together. There is no need to panic.